Hi, this is Dr. Venkat. I'm the global CMO for Adity Birla Advanced Material Group, and we are the leading epoxy resin producer in the world, and what we call advanced material. So, this chemistry goes across various applications in specialties like composites, particularly wind and automotive and aerospace.
Okay. So, what was your main objective in participating at Wind Energy Expo?
So, if you look at that India wind story, right? I think India is poised for accelerated growth in wind segment, right? So, by 2030, the Indian government has got a achieving a renewable goal of close to around 500 gigawatt, and in that, almost 100 gigawatt contribution will come out of wind. So India wind story is pretty strong, and on average we are doing close to 3.5 to 4 gigawatt at present. So if you have to achieve this target, we have to look at close to 9 to 10 gigawatt per annum for the next 5 to 6 years. So which is an aggressive growth. So one, I think the industry is growing quite well. And second, if you look at us, right, and we provide the sustainable solutions to the wind industry through our epoxy chemistry. For example, we are the global innovator through our patented recyclamine technology. Using this technology, the wind blades, which are currently thermosets, can be recycled. So that's a great, what you call the innovation what we have, and we have already collaborated some of the world wind players, partnered with them, and launched this recyclable blade in the world. So we are happy to bring in this technology in Indian market as well as the market grows.
All right.
Yeah.
So, how do you think, a show like Wind Energy Expo is influencing your position in the Indian market?
I think most important for the last, if I'm right, last 3 years we have been consecutively participating in this Wind Expo. One, I think we are really if you look at it, maybe around 5 to 6 major players in the wind industry. We are collaborating with each one of them in providing formulated solutions to make to increase the productivity of wind blade manufacturing. So we we add value to this wind manufacturer, and we are happy to provide this solution to them.
Okay. In terms of percentage, if I ask you, since you have been participating in Wind Energy Expo for quite some time, what is the kind of growth that has Wind Energy Expo contributed to your company?
I think today I can tell, we almost have more than 80% of market share as far as this segment is concerned. We do have a state of R&D centers in India and Thailand, and all our labs are GL approved. So we are able to collaborate with our partners, and using this R&D centers, we are able to give tailor-made solutions to their problem. So that has really helped us to increase our market share and add real value to these customers in this industry.
Okay, so what is your opinion about the concurrent shows or the events that's been happening, like the conferences and the roundtable? How is it adding value to this kind of a show?
No, I think I like the panel discussions that has happened in the morning today, where our CEO has been part of the panel discussion. So one thing that has been clear today, if you look at the wind segment, the way it is growing, assuming after 10, 15 years, end of the life cycle, I could see a huge number of blades that are going to come out for recycling, right? So if you look at the size of the business just for recycling, nothing less than 400, $500 million. So I think it's a great opportunity for someone to really work on this recyclable blades. That you need to make it sustainable. I think it's a great opportunity, and we are proud and we are happy that we are able to provide the solutions for this problem on a long term.
Would
Yeah,
you recommend your competitors and your industry colleagues to participate in this kind of a show?
I think whoever wants to add value to the industry, sharing their knowledge, bringing new technologies, bringing sustainable solutions to the industry, they're all welcome.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any feedback that you have, particularly for Wind Energy Expo organizers, for them to make this show a little more better in the future editions?
No, I think maybe to bring in more global perspective into this industry.
So, any last words for the organizers?
No, I think it's very well done, and I see every year the footfall in this exhibition has been increasing, and I could see a lot of focus coming in this segment. So we are on the right path. We are doing well.
Right.
Thank you.